Hey guys, today we are going to talk about how to get ready for a get together or any function in your home or you're going out. What are all the things for any women to take care and what you should do for that and what are all the preps you should do and how to look good and be confident on that day. So to start with, we need to prep yourself. Starting from your head to toe, you need to prep yourself. That is, you need to keep your hair clean, and for that you should not use any new products for your hair. Just 1 week before you should be ready with your hair. It should not have any dryness or any kind of things which shows that your hair is not healthy. So prep your hair, and you should not use any new products from head to toe, because whenever you are trying something, it may cause some allergy. So don't try any new things when there is any function. Always go for products which are natural, and natural products won't give that much allergy. But to be safe, if you are using only green gram or any besan for your face, use only that, not any new chemicals like turmeric. Some people may get boils by using turmeric, so avoid when you're new to turmeric or lemon or honey. Anything new to your skin and hair, you should avoid it. Even medicine, and you should avoid going to that is, you should avoid exposing yourself to sun. So be safe by using safe products and whatever you are used to. Once you are ready with your hair and skin, go for a nice manicure or pedicure if you like. That will be good. So then comes the topic about what you are going to wear. It depends on the function what you are going to wear and what time the function is going to happen, that is evening or night, like that. Consider all this. If it is an official kind of event, you have to dress accordingly. You have to avoid glitters and traditional kind of dress. You should avoid glitter things and flashy things, which makes you more very different from the crowd. So go accordingly. If it is religious or any function which is at home, you should be like that. If you are going for any kind of family get together or wedding or any function which relates to your family, you have to dress accordingly. You choose the color like orange or anything like which pops out and which will be related to that kind of function. So select colors and texture accordingly, and you should be comfortable in that. If you're going consider if it is an official event. If you are not comfortable with this formal wear like coats or something like that, avoiding it will be better. You can wear a very elegant saris and elegant kurtas, which will be very official. You can select like that, like ash tones of saris and materials which are very materials like raw silk and which has thread work in it in the border, which will be very elegant and which will also be comfortable for you for an official event. And once you select the dress, like what dress you are going to wear, then comes the makeup. So for makeup also, you need to be accordingly. Like if it is a very grand birthday party, you can wear a very grand makeup with flashy colors in your eyeshadow or in your lipstick, like that. If it is a event very official, you can go for nude colors, nude lipsticks and nude eyeshadow and matte finish in your foundation. And everything should be subtle for an event which is for your office or any official meetings. But when considering birthday parties, you can select whatever you want and colors which suit you. Like if your spouse is wearing a white dress, you can wear any blue or anything which goes with the white dress. So you should not be like you cannot wear an orange for white, which will not be that much suitable when you go with your spouse. If he is wearing white, you can go for black or blue or red, which complements the white, and white should complements the dress. And do not try a new dress as well. If you are not comfortable with saris, if you are very new to saris, then don't select saris. Select dress which are very comfortable for you. And if you want to wear a sari for sure, please try 1 week before, give a try of sari and be with the sari for 1 hour or 2 hours. If you are comfortable, then you can go for that. And makeup also, some people will be allergic if they are new to makeup, and they will look very uncomfortable wearing a makeup. So if you are new to makeup, just slowly you do practice for 3 days being with makeup, then you go for that day. Suddenly, if you are always with a plain face and suddenly you wear makeup, you will look very restless. So go with very mild makeup if you are new to makeup. And if you are very confident about your makeup and you are used to makeup, then give a try like new things, like very new eyeshadow, new lipsticks, which you want to give a try, and which you want to which you like, which you are inspired, and which you want to try. Please try that. And makeup should match your skin tone and your dress. So when you are wearing a warm color, go for a warm kind of lipstick, and go for a shade which is good for you. And you are going for a party or a wedding which is on the beach. These days there are so many weddings happening in the lawn, that is in the open air in the morning. If you are comfortable, you can wear a makeup which is glossy little, but you should have a very clear skin and a very perfect skin. If you are not comfortable with that, safe is matte finish, which will suit for the sunlight. So choose a matte finish makeup, give a try, and it will be very, you feel very confident. Even the sun is heavy and there is so much of happenings, and you don't sweat that much, and you will feel confident. And makeup, hairdress, what hairdress you are going to do? Are you going to have a loose hair or a hairstyle with bun or any kind of fancy hairstyle? Just go it for a try. If you're going to wear a gown for that party, give a fancy hairstyle which comes to the front, and it will be very elegant for you. Altogether, prepping and selecting the dress which is comfortable for you, selecting makeup which is comfortable for you, and hairstyle, and the jewelry. Jewelry depends on your taste. If you want to wear very simple jewelry, you can go for it. And if you want to have a very heavy jewelry, then go for a sari which will complement the jewelry. It should not merge with the jewelry, so it will be very nice. And makeup, according to your jewel, you need to give your makeup. So everything has to blend together. When you are wearing a black sari, you can wear black metal or any kind of jewelry which gives complement to the black sari. And for that you can give a good hairstyle with a fancy bun or side bun. There are so many out there which is very important when it comes to any function. Hairstyle speaks a lot. You should be very comfortable. And if it is in a beach, if you are going with a free hair, maybe you are not comfortable with that. So consider all that. If you are comfortable with free hair, you can go with that. Be confident with what you are going to do, and select everything. Keep it safe. The jewelry, the makeup, the dress, what you are going to wear, everything keep it separately and put it in a bag. And before that you need to iron or whatever you want, you can do that. Out of all this, that is prepping and prepping your skin and hair and selecting the dress, everything you're going to do it before. And when it comes to makeup, you're going to do that on that day. So you should be fresh on that day, and you should be very clear of what makeup you are going to wear for that day, and what eyeshadow, what lipstick, everything. You should be very confident, and good products you should use. You should not use any new products. Don't try anything new. So give a try for everything, whatever you are going to use for that day. Please give a try and then use. To give you an example, I got a glow cream to highlight, but whenever I apply that, I will feel so much irritated in my skin. So I will be like all throughout my face I feel that irritation. So like that, maybe some products won't be suitable for you. So give a try of whatever you are going to do for that day, because it's going to be your day or your event or your loved one's event. So be comfortable on that day. Select your dress according to your family, what they prefer, and what everybody going to wear. According to that, you go for that, and prep yourself and enjoy. And I think this will be very helpful for you. And please comment if you like, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.